Hey Glam fam, I'm Maddie and welcome to my channel. If you have not already joined the Glam fam, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, especially if you love taking care of your body and knowing different beauty tips, hacks, and tricks. Let's go ahead and let's get started.
I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
So today your girl decided to talk about collagen peptides. These have so many amazing benefits for the body. I'm going to be sharing with you guys all the information that I know about collagen peptides and also how I prepare my collagen peptides in order to be consumed. You guys, this is a highly requested video because if you all do not know, collagen peptides are extremely popular nowadays. In fact, there are so many different commercials running about them and so many different types of things, and I could not leave you guys hanging. I had to share this information with you guys because these have amazing benefits for the body. So let's talk about some of the side effects. Let's also talk about some of the benefits and how to consume collagen peptides. You ready, girl? I hope you are. Collagen peptides are very small pieces of protein from animal collagen. Collagen is one of the materials that makes up cartilage, bone, and skin. This might help to improve some skin and joint conditions. Collagen peptides are used for aging skin and also for osteoarthritis. They are also used for brittle nails, muscle strength, and many other things. Let's talk about one of the most known benefits of collagen peptides. One of the #1 things is that it can in fact help with aging skin. Now I know a lot of y'all may be going, Maddie, you're 19. What do you need with collagen peptides at this point in your life? Sometimes it's best to start early, you guys. It's best to start taking care of your skin and body. Not when you see wrinkles appearing, but before they even appear on your body in any way, shape, or form. Collagen peptides are one of the easiest ways in order to take strides in terms of doing that. Taking collagen peptides by mouth tends to improve your skin's elasticity and also help your body. It also helps with hydration, and if you are someone who suffers from osteoarthritis, it can help with any type of joint pain that you may be experiencing, which is something that is great because not just older people suffer from arthritis, but there are also some younger people that suffer from it as well. And in this case, collagen peptides will be your best friend. So those are just two of the benefits, and of course my favorite is because it helps so much with the skin. Through taking this, I've seen a lot of improvements with my skin, and not because I've had wrinkles, but it's also caused my skin to become more glowy, more supple, more full. And this is a great thing about collagen peptides. They are vital for the body. They will help your body out in so many different types of ways that nothing else on the market can do, and that is why they are a great option for keeping everything intact. Now those were some of the good benefits. Now let's talk about some possible side effects of taking collagen peptides. Now when taken by mouth, of course collagen peptides are typically safe. But that does not mean that you cannot experience a reaction from them. But they have been safely used for doses up to 10 grams per day throughout the span of 5 months. And side effects are very rare, but as I just mentioned, you can pretty much have side effects from anything. But here's one of the first things that I do want to mention. There is not enough reliable information to share with you guys that collagen peptides are safe to use during pregnancy or while breastfeeding. So make sure that you take precaution when it comes to collagen peptides if you are expecting a bundle of joy, or you've already had your bundle of joy and you are now breastfeeding your baby. I'd recommend just staying on the safe side and avoiding use of collagen peptides altogether. Now if you happen to be taking collagen peptides for a specific reason, I'd recommend speaking with your healthcare provider and seeing what works best for your body. Whenever I make these videos, I always like to reiterate I am not a doctor. I am just someone who is sharing information information that either I have learned about or either I have tested out at some point in my life. I do a ton of research on these videos, but please keep in mind that I am not your healthcare provider and I want you to be safe at all costs. So please take all safety precautions when it comes to taking collagen peptides. But the bottom line is this is one of the easiest ways to keep your skin intact, you guys. This is something awesome for your body, and I will have it listed down below for you guys because we want to stay as beautiful as we can for as long as possible. In fact, for the rest of our lives, we can keep glamming around these parts. All that you have to do is take care of your body, and that is what my channel is all about. So make sure that you head down below and check these out in the description box. I will have them listed down below for you guys because we want to keep everything together, okay? Now really quickly, let's go ahead and let's head to my kitchen and I'm going to share with you guys how I prepare my collagen peptides. I'm going to be applying some room temperature water up in here, okay? And I'll be filling the glass up almost all the way. Now I'm going to be using my collagen peptides today from Vital Proteins. Now make sure that you store your Vital Proteins in a cool or dry place. And also, you guys, you only have to combine 1 to 2 scoops with 8 fluid ounces of liquid and mix thoroughly. So that is exactly what I'm getting ready to do. First, I'm going to share with you guys what it looks like. Boom. So today I'm going to be using just 2 scoops of this. I'm going to make sure that I grab me a spoon really quickly. Now this is not supposed to have much of a flavor, you guys, so just so that you guys know. And when you put this in, make sure that you mix it fast. I'm using room temperature water because this can turn to clumps really fast, okay? Alrighty, you guys, let's pick up some of our Vital Proteins. And make sure that you mix it up really well. Alrighty, you guys. And it has a very mild flavor to it. There isn't much of a flavor. And it's very good for you, and it's going to keep your skin looking pretty and fabulous. Now if you guys are interested in seeing a face mask with collagen peptides, let me know down below in the comment section because I can definitely bring that to you guys. But this video is just about collagen peptides and how to make them. So I hope that you guys found this video enjoyable and hopefully that you learned something new from it. Now one thing that I can say is whenever I do drink collagen peptides, it's the smell for me. The smell bothers me so much because these do not smell very pleasant. But you guys, for all the benefits that collagen peptides offer, it is definitely well worth it.